Hello my YouTube friends and family. I was wanting to get on here and show you what my haul was this week. And the first up is the classic series Batmobile, the blue one. Check it out. And I am going to open these up right here too. And up next is a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. Pretty cool one. Then I got the 90 Acura Nsx. Another pretty one. Then I have a old school muscle bound. I like that delivery on it with the World War II plane with the teeth on it. I thought that was pretty cool. I found the Mazda RX-3 in the green. That's pretty cool. And then I found the Evil Twin, the 54th anniversary, the blue and pink, to finish up my set. I got that one, and I found the Passing Gasser, the 54 one, just the blue and pink. Another cool casting right there. Finished off my I got the complete set now. How about that? And I'm going to open a golden duck up that I found. Pretty stoked about this one right here. I already got one, and I got one to open. Then I went and got some Ultra Hots. This is the Regal, 87 Regal. Yep. The opening things there up. And I got the 66 Ford Fairlane with the 427 in it. I just like the paint job on these cars here. That was sweet. And I got the Mercury Cyclone 69. I didn't get the complete set of them because in the store I was at, they had them for $3 a piece. And I don't know why they was $3, but that's what they got them at. And I found the Hot Wheels Velvet Premiums. I got the 75 Datsun Sunny truck. That was a cool little find right there. Yep. And then I found the 67 Austin Mini pickup too. Yep. And I found this one right here that I ain't gonna butcher the name to it, y'all. Hiba Sport. Look, it just looked cool looking. The reason why I got it. And I'm gonna show you some of the old school stuff that I got too that you can't find on the pegs no more either. I got the Red Edition Viper. That was pretty cool. Then I have the Honda Civic Ef in the blue. That 2017. Same as the Viper was 2017 too. And I got the Barbie Corvette Stingray in 2017. And that's pretty cool. Then I have the 18 Copo Camaro SS, new for 2019. It says new for 2019 on the thing, but on the thing on the box it says 2017. I don't know if y'all can read that. I don't think my camera is going to focus on that. That's kind of odd. Oh, I forgot about this one right here. I got the red one. Got the white one, now I got the red one. Forgot I had this one. It was under all these. Another cool little find right there. Quella de Vale. How about that, y'all? New for 2018. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera around and put the turner on, and let's open up some cars. How about that there? Get these other ones here out my way real quick. There we go. Alrighty. First up, we'll go ahead and open up the Firebird. Put it on there. There we go. I would have my son out here opening them up for him, but he's a little under the weather right now. When he feels better, I have him back out here again, y'all. I know y'all like seeing him. That's just a cool car right there with a chrome interior and motor. Nice car. What else on the thing? Go ahead and open up the 19 full boat. Oh, this one here has even got the parachute on back of it. It wants to roll off. There we go. Alright, while that there is on the turner, let's go ahead and open up the Barbie Stingray. Like I said before, our collecting thing was Barbie and Hot Wheels. I think it's cool, a husband and wife deal. Watch it roll right off there. How about that? You don't want it on there anyway. Alright, let's look at the Honda Civic. Another sought after casting right there. Yeah, I got the blue one, I got the yellow one, and I want to say I got the white one too, somewhere around. Alright, right there's on the turner. Let's go ahead and open up this Viper. I like my red edition from Target. So far I got 1 through 6 of this year's. I'm trying to get all of them for this year. Alright, right out on the turner, let's open up the Quella de Vale. While that one's on there, let's go ahead and open up this tuned Batmobile. Pretty cool in blue. Check it out. Now let's go ahead and open this Liberty Walk Skyline. Check that thing out. Alright, let's open this one up from 2017. I like it just for the deliveries got on it. What's it called? A-Rex. That's a pretty cool car there. And then there's on the turn. Go ahead and open up the Acura. Oh, there's on things. Go ahead and open up this Mazda RX-3. Another cool JDM. Alright, now let's open up the passing gasser. Nope, next is going to be the Evil Twin. Yep, to complete the set. Alright, now let's open up this Buick Regal GNX. Alright, what that there is on the turner. We're going to go ahead and open up the Mercury Cyclone. I think they could have did a little better job on their rims on these right here. They're cool castings, because I don't like the rims. Now it's the Ford Fairlane 427. Now there, we'll go ahead and open up the Datsun truck. Pretty sad. I thought premiums were metal on metal. That Datsun truck has got plastic base. And here seems to be metal on metal. Alright, now is the Mini Austin pickup. Another cool looking little truck. Alright, up next is going to be the Golden Duck. A hard treasure hunt to find. So I'm going to go up there with my treasure hunts for this year. And check it out. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for this video right here. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel please, and help me grow for my little boy, because he likes doing this too. I'm trying to keep him in the hobby, y'all, so show him some love and support us. Dirt Fishman out. Peace.